Welcome to my page, but before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for all updated videos. Welcome to my page. I am going to be installing some individual eyelashes and I'm going to show you how I do it. I just got these from, I'm going to just jump right into the video. I got these from my local beauty supply for only $2. And I'm going to show you how I do it real quick. And then also you're going to need some tweezers to pull apart your eyelashes. So basically, a little bit of glue on a flat surface because you're just going to be dabbing just a little bit. A tiny bit of glue, like just a little bit. Eyelashes, okay, this is how I do it. I pick them all out, the ones I'm going to use, like the first row. I got my eyelash. There we go. Better. I don't know if y'all can see that. Just a little bit. And then I go underneath my eyelids. So raise your eyelid up. So make sure you place it on your eye line, your eye hairline, not your eyelid, because it's going to cause irritation. So up. And just place a second one right next door to it. No problem. Tweezers. I go underneath the eye. And then I just line it right across on my hairline, eyeline. You don't want it to be on your eyelid because it will cause irritation. And I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to come back and finish the rest because it's kind of hard for me to show you. But they look natural, and I'm going to finish this whole eye, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so I'm back. This eye is completely done to my liking. I did one row, and then I went back to fill in all the spaces so it can look fuller. So I didn't want them to look too dramatic. I just wanted the natural look on my eyes. So you can see across how they look. And then underneath how they look. I put it on my eyelash, not my eyelid. Okay. I'm going to finish up and do my left eye, and I will be back again. It's still wet. So I'm gonna finish this last eye. I'm gonna finish this row out with a couple fill-ins, and then I'll be back. So I've done both eyelashes, natural look, long flare, and this is the end result. So I have 4 strips left just in case one of them falls off. But yeah, that's how you do it. You want to go underneath the eye to your eye line, eyelash line, and not your eyelid, your eyelash line, and apply. And just pop them on there with the glue. Well, that's it. Put some eyeshadow, curl these bad boys with some mascara, and I'm out the door. Still letting the glue dry from some of it. This is gonna last me at least a week, even when I wash my face.